You've just purchased your David Streeta Lightstream technology, and you're probably wondering how to get started. It's very easy. So you have some moving parts. You have your wand, you have your copper mantra coil. Now, this one is 24 inches. This is the largest one that we have. And there's also 14 inches. So depending on which one you've purchased, you're going to want to make sure that all your devices are plugged in to the amplifier, which is actually sold separately. So you've got your Samsung tablet. This is so that you can install your software onto your tablet that will allow you to play your frequencies in the same fashion that you would play your favorite songs. So what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that all the cords are plugged in the back of the amplifier. So you've got your black cord and your red cord. So you want to make sure that your black cords go into the black wire device and that your red cords go into the red device. And you've got your left and right wire cords. You want to make sure your antenna's on, and you want to make sure your power cord is plugged in first before you plug it into a power outlet for safety. So what we've noticed here is that the machine is set to on, so it's currently emanating frequencies into the atmosphere, and the box is set to automatic. There's also Bluetooth if you so wish to be wireless, and the volume is here, so it's just over halfway. It's cranked up pretty good, and you can actually test it holding a magnet. You can actually feel the frequencies that are being emanated from the wand and from the coil. Now with the wand, you always want to hold it with both hands. So the wand is sold as a separate piece from the copper mattress coil. And you can, again, choose different sizes. So this is the 24 inch, the 14 inch, and then here's your Samsung tablet. So the Samsung tablet, right now we actually have already downloaded the app. It's called Rife app, and you can get it from the David Streeta website. And what you do is you can actually program all the frequencies into the app that you want to listen to, because there are over 10,000 frequencies. Now for the wand, it's used to treat acute things in the body. So for example, if a man has a sports injury on his shoulder, you're going to want to use the wand. The wand should be held with both hands, and you can use it every day for a minimum of 10 minutes and a maximum of 6 minutes. Now for your chakra zones, you can actually clear your chakra zones, and you should put the wand on each chakra zone for 5 minutes. This can be used every day. You can also wrap a towel around the wand for comfort when you're laying down. Some people like to fall asleep, specifically to the 9 planets, for example, which is a series of frequencies, and that is found on the quantum frequencies playlist that is pre-programmed, and you can purchase the various frequencies at any time by visiting the David Streeta website. Some of the top picks are the Great Pyramids, Infinities. The 9 planets is definitely something that everyone enjoys. The sun, and there's frequencies for couples, for ladies, for men. You can enjoy the star systems, astral projection. There's so many to choose from. So we encourage you to go onto the David Streeta website and look up the frequency guide and have a look through and see which frequency may be right for you. And we truly hope that you enjoy your alternative healthcare system. Thank you so much.